upbeat intro music plays. The camera zooms in on the host standing in a bright, inviting room filled with books and a whiteboard. Host? Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you've ever found yourself staring at a blank page, unsure of how to craft the perfect letter, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of letters in the English language. We'll explore different types of letters and arm you with the skills to write each effectively. So stick around, it's going to be epic! Segment 1. What is a letter? Host. Let's start with the basics. A letter is a written communication addressed to a person or group. It can be formal, informal, or somewhere in between. Think of letters as the bridges connecting our thoughts and emotions. But did you know there are several types of letters? Let's break them down. 1. Formal letters. Host. First up, formal letters. These are typically used for business or professional communication. Picture writing to a company, applying for a job, or reaching out to a government official. Here's how to craft 1. Structure. Start with your address, date, and the recipient's address. Salutation. Use Dear title, last name. For example, Dear Mr. Smith. Body. Be clear and concise. State your purpose right away, whether it's a job application, complaint, or request. Closing. Use polite phrases like sincerely or yours faithfully, followed by your name. 1. Informal letters. Host. Next, informal letters. These are meant for friends or family. They allow for a more personal touch. Structure. You might skip your address and the recipient's details. Salutation. Use a friendly greeting like hey name or dear nickname. Body. Share your feelings, adventures, or updates. This is where the creativity flows. Closing. A casual best or love works great. Then we have semi-formal letters, perfect for acquaintances or colleagues. Structure. Similar to formal letters, but with a more relaxed approach. Salutation. Choose dear first name. Body. Maintain professionalism, but you can add a personal touch. Closing. Try regards or best wishes. Let's not forget cover letters. These are vital when applying for jobs. Structure. Match your cover letter's format with your resume. Salutation. Address it to the hiring manager or recruiter. Body. Explain why you're a great fit for the role, highlight skills and experiences. Conclusion. Invite them to contact you for an interview. And how about thank you letters? These are essential for expressing gratitude after interviews or gifts or kind gestures. Salutation. Use an appropriate greeting based on your relationship. Body. State what you're thankful for and personalize it. Closing. A warm thank you again or best regards is perfect. Now, regardless of the type, here are some tips for crafting the perfect letter. 1. Know your audience. Tailor your tone and content based on who will read it. 2. Be clear and concise. Keep your message focused and avoid rambling. 3. Proofread. Always check for grammar and spelling errors. A clean letter creates a good impression. 4. Be polite. Manners go a long way in any letter. Well, there you have it. The wonderful world of letters in English. Whether formal, informal, or semi-formal, writing letters boils down to knowing your audience and being clear. Now it's your turn. Grab a piece of paper or open your laptop and start drafting. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share your letter writing experiences in the comments below, or subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching and happy writing. See you in the next video.